first the lighting, the lamp.
From problems only. You know that how a red bus has started. Okay, the person who has started that red bus, he was waiting for the bus.
Then creating an antivirus. There are many antivirus in the market. So be innovative.
He has a course of reviews from that startup. Like that, but I got one thing. So students are having a lot many ideas. But at the same time, students were also asking, sir, what about the funding? So where will we get this funding? That's what. And even I have observed one thing, because I joined here 45 days ago. Here, the moment we discussed about these startup ideas, so many students came forward, the generals came forward. That is the reason why. Because I know Mr. Dr. Vinod Kumar Garu for the last 10 years. That's also a very good number. And before this event, I contacted two of our SRCare alumni. So we have taken some suggestions. The reason behind this is being a placement officer, why you are interested about this startup event. So you may ask this question. Remember one thing, most of the startups, they are paying huge salaries when compared to the companies like service-based companies. I should not name them. They are paying only 3.5 to 4.5 like that. Whereas startup companies, they are paying 6.5, even 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs like that. And you can see that the startups like even that was okay, and Make My Trip, okay, and apart from Paytm, okay. So all these things, they are startups. Those who want to start these new organizations, that those who want to become entrepreneurs, see that there is some commercial viable.
For that is, of course, we are having startups and all these things from long back. But again, we are taking another initiation, and I came to know that the students who will be selecting for these startups, a lot of funds will be given by this gentleman, founder, Dr. Vinod Kumar and his team. So those who are selected, definitely that will be useful. Even for the present national educational policy, a lot of importance will be given for the entrepreneurs, startups, and the students. They should learn skill development on all these things. So keeping that in view, today we are conducting this, and on this occasion, just I have to give a brief introduction about our SRCare Engineering College. Only 59 institutions were selected, and out of that, SRCare Engineering College is one among that. And in this, the main purpose of this idea lab is a student will approach with an idea and he will come with a product. So 24 hours that lab will be open. Why I am saying this is that will be very advantageous to the students. So recently our Gopi and Suresh Babu, they have gone for Gopi and DVR Mohan also. They have gone for training and they learn everything. And as the government, our state government is giving a lot of importance to skill, so naturally that you can deliver there. So that will be a great advantage for all the student community as well as the mentors, the staff members, and they can publish papers, internship, all these things we can establish there. So of the 49 colleges, our SRCare Engineering College is also one among that.
అలాగే పాత మార్కెట్లను కూడా మారుస్తాయి. మీలో ఉన్న స్టూడెంట్స్, మీలో ఉన్న కొత్త టెక్నాలజీని కూడా కొత్త మార్కెట్లను సృష్టిస్తాయి. స్టూడెంట్స్ మన కాలేజ్ SRCareలో ఉన్న ఐడియా ల్యాబ్ని, టెక్నాలజీ సెంటర్ని కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి మీ ఆలోచనను, ప్రతిభని, నైపుణ్యాన్ని పెంచుకుని స్టార్టప్ని ఇంకా మీ యువపారిశ్రామికవేత్తలుగా కాకుండా ఉద్యోగంలో ఉన్నత స్థానాలు కూడా సాధించడానికి ఎంతో అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. అంచేత ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ కూడా ఐడియా ల్యాబ్ని, టెక్నాలజీ సెంటర్ని కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి, గోపి గారు, సురేష్ బాబు అండ్ టీం ఉంటుంది, ఆ టీం కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి మీ ఆలోచనను, ప్రతిభని, నైపుణ్యాన్ని కూడా బాగా పెంచుకోవడానికి యువ పారిశ్రామికవేత్తలుగా కాకుండా దేశాభివృద్ధికి మీరు మరి ఉన్నత స్థానాల్లో కాకుండా మరి మందికి ఉద్యోగాలకు అవకాశాలు కల్పించడానికి స్టార్టప్ ప్రోగ్రాంలు ఎంతో ఉపయోగపడతాయి.
After US and China. So never has been this great opportunity given to our country. The reason being we have 130 billion population. So out of this more than half of the people are aged below 25 years. So great companies like Ola and Paytm, Zomato, all these companies have been incubated here. But as we all know, they are all normal people. So due to the government's great policies and their ambition, they are able to achieve great success. So I wish all the best and I hope some of you will get your seed funding today. Thank you.
To make your dream into reality, see, starting your own company is always a dream, isn't it? Yes, sir. Okay. I'm talking about your dream. So you have to be very energetic. So making dream into reality is a one-time opportunity. Once in a life we will get this, isn't it? See, earlier it was very tough to get fund. Now we are all the way to your case to fund on your dream. See, your startup idea is your dream, not our dream. But we are all the way to fund on your dream. So be very presentable and be fearless. So whatever you want to present, give your best today. One correct presentation at correct platform can change the entire career, isn't it? Yes, sir. Okay, so there are many people to guide you how to succeed. But let me tell you what are the showstoppers generally every person has. ఎలా సాధించాలి అందరూ చెప్తారు, ఏం చేస్తే మనం ఫెయిల్ అవుతామో చెప్తే బెటర్ కదా. సో ఐ డ్యూ టు కంప్లీట్ చేయలేదు, ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఏదైనా కొంచెం ఎక్స్ట్రా వర్క్ చెప్తే ద ఫస్ట్ వెరీ రీజన్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాస్ వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టైం. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? మా సిలబస్కే టైం సరిపోవట్లేదు. బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్ దొరుకుతుందా చాట్
regarding new business to start their own startup company. But yes, it is also well known that it is not that easy to start their own business without any experience and with such a huge financial involvement. Startup House is going to make this dream come true for many youngsters whose ideas are extremely awesome and whose ideas the investors believe in. Though their ideas are good enough, supporting someone who has lack of experience in particular field is such a huge thing. So I heartfully thank Startup House founder and director as well as the entire team who are going to support us and giving us the financial as well as the moral support by having trust in us. I thank everyone for giving me this precious opportunity.